gonna be a good day.
Hey guys, welcome back to Pocket Watch. I'm Liz, and today we're going to be doing the Pie Face Sky High Challenge with a real high striker. The thing you hit at the carnivals with the bell. But there's a catch. Today, I've rigged the machine so that every time Dalton and Rachel hit it, they're going to hit the bell, which means every time they hit it, I get to put a pie in their face, dressed as a minion. Let's go.
What? Welcome back to Pocket Watch. I'm Dalton.
I'm Rachel.
And I guess you're wondering why my face is in this thing. Because guess what we're doing today, Rachel?
What are we doing?
We're playing Sky High Pie in the Face!
Yay! I'm so excited!
But we're not playing this.
What?
Sorry to say, we're not playing this. You know why? Because that ain't Pocket Watch. We're doing it Pocket Watch style, like this. We spin the wheel. Whatever number it lands on, grab that mallet over there and smash it.
A mallet? Okay.
Every time it dings, the person in this chair gets a pie in the face. And guess who's gonna be pieing us in the face?
Who's gonna be pieing us in the face?
It's gonna be our good friend, the Minion!
Oh my gosh, hi!
All right, let's get started. All right, so Rachel's in the hot seat. I'm going first. Let's spin this wheel.
One.
I'm gonna go with two.
One.
Good, because that's all I need.
No.
Go.
No. It went up my nose.
It's gonna be a good day.
Dalton, you messed up. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna spin this wheel. Hopefully get three. One. Okay.
Hit me.
Sounds like a pie. No.
Oh, now it's getting interesting, isn't it?
One. Okay. Banana.
That was good.
Three. Two! I get two! Yay! That's good. Yay! That's two pies!
Alrighty, let's do it.
One. Three.
One.
Three.
One.
Three. Two! Yes! Okay.
Miss it.
Yay! That's two. Whoa! That pie flew! One.
Three.
Oh shoot.
Yes! So I guess I am the winner! Yes!
I had pie in my eyes,
So
okay?
did I. And I don't need to rhyme so much, but it's just happening this time. Thanks so much for watching Pocket Watch. If you like this video, and if you want us to do other fun stuff just like this, let us know in the comments below. Throw us a like, throw us a subscribe, and we'll see you next time here at Pocket Watch.
Bye. Wow, that was a lot of fun.